New at 11, Transforming Lives Community Development Corporation sponsored a STEM conference at the New Psalmist Baptist Church. Miana Massey was there and reports on how the event is working to expose young people to new and innovative career paths.
Hundreds of elementary and high school students gathered at New Psalmist Baptist Church, an all-day STEM conference challenging young people to think outside of the box.
I love doing robot things and tech.
Students like Hannah got to explore their interests, picking just a few of over a dozen sessions, from 3D writing, forensics, paleontology, and robotics, where they each got to program their very own bot.
To go places that you tell them without having to drive, it can just drive itself.
And a little friendly competition didn't hurt. The further their bot went, the more points they racked up.
Each track that's 5 points, that's 10 points, and that's 15 points.
Their goal to expose minority kids to STEM. According to the National Science Foundation, less than 10% of STEM jobs are filled by people of color.
What we do is try to show them the fun in the science and show them that this is a long-term opportunity for them.
7th grader Cole Williams not yet sure on exactly what he wants to do, but he says today's experience confirms it'll be in the world of STEM.
So is this something that you think you want to do maybe when you get older? Talk about that. What do you think you want to do?
I mean, like computers, like computer science and stuff like that.
Each workshop showcasing a peek into the industry and how incredible and gratifying STEM careers can be.
So what we hope is that kids will join. They will join the camps, they will come to the sessions, but they will continue with STEM as they grow.
I'm Miana Massey reporting for WJZ.